A rectangular prism has a base area of 24 square centimeters, and I have drawn the sketch. So we have this area to be 2040, and the length of the base is 8 over 3. So this one is 8 over 3. So the other side will be 2040 divided by 8 over 3. This was one will equal to 90. So, and the height is 15. Which expression represents the surface area? So we're just gonna calculate all of the area of the rectangular here. This prism consists of 6 different rectangulars, and with 3 types of rectangular. So each type consists of 2 similar rectangular. So the first rectangular will be the base. I'll just write it as a whole 2040 since we know, and the second one is this one multiplied by this one, so it will be 2 times 15 times 90 plus 2, and this one, oh no, I'm sorry, this one multiplied by this one, 15 times 8 over 3 is gonna be 5. So 4080 plus, what is it? This is 30 and this is 9, so plus this one will be 40. So the final answer is, what would it be? 300 and yes, I'm sorry. Is there in the option? Oh yes, this is the answer.